Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This one is about the hoop masters for the Ricoma, or any embroidery machine as you like. Right, so let me get started off. It won't be a long video. It's what I use the most. Everybody has different videos and tastes about what hoops they use, what they recommend, and what I could recommend, you know. But it's really up to what you're producing, what business you're into, and what you like to make. So for me, these are my heavy hitters. These are my money makers right here. These are the main ones I use on the daily or often. As far even as the F hoops from the Ricoma, I can't ditch these. These are lifesavers sometimes. I don't like using them. You know, it's just cool they come with them, but I don't like using them. But they come in clutch when I have to use them. They call these the F hoops. They call these the F hoop right there. Okay. So they claim it's a 17 or a 14-inch by 21 1/4. Which is the biggest hoop you could probably fit. Well, besides the sash. But you can't really use the sash with like pullovers or hoodies that are non-zippered. Zippered, you could use a sash. You could get big images in there and it'll be perfect. But my customers are mainly big images in the back and nice designs. So where the smaller hoops come in really good for the front, or big images coming good with the F hoop. Now you could do one big image and then continue on adding on like a smaller hoop on the bottom. You're gonna waste time doing that, right? So I try to fit all my images into one setting, like one hoop, and that's it. I do all my images in one time. And saves me time and money. You don't have to use multiple sheets of a stabilizer, where I just buy one big roll of 20-inch stabilizer or a 15-inch stabilizer, 12 or 10, and I could get away with using all of these with a 20-inch stabilizer. And as far as the hoops, it's all your preference, but this is a must. It makes it fun. You know, these are not fun to use, but if you have to use them, use them. I do not like using them. I don't like using the OEM hoops. It's not fun, right? I mean, they work, but it is not fun. And as far as my main hoops, and this one right here is the real money maker right here. This one has been abused daily. This one, and look at it, it looks brand new. I mean, besides the little wear you get right there, but you pair it up with the freestyle and you get the whole little thing going on right here, and it is perfect. So if you match those two up, or you get the combo, I mean, it's like $500, I believe. Let me show you guys. So yeah, you get this bad boy right there. Whoops, look at that. Yeah, you throw it in there. Just like so. And I like to leave this off. Right here. You have a little like a, see that? It gets locked. I like to leave it unlocked, so it'll come out. It won't yank your beanie or your sleeves or your shirt. It'll easily come off. I mean, you really can't mess up. I leave it off, it comes out easily. Everybody has a perfect preference, you know. Alright, so yeah, I love this thing. It's a perfect hoop every time. Never fails. I enjoy that thing. That's another one right there I love. The quality with that right there, I don't really know what they call it, but it really matches up with all your equipment, everything. It's perfect. So you can match up your setup, buy the ones you need. For me, these are perfect for big embroidery jobs. This is big jackets, sweaters, big like dicky shirts, Carhartt shirts, button-up shirts, flannels, job site shirts, and people are in construction or bikers, car clubs. It all depends. Jerseys. You want to do the big numbers, the big old applique in the back. These are perfect. This is it right here. This is like the perfect setup for me, and that's exactly what I use them for. Applique. It goes on. Everybody, there's tons of videos out there who recommend the what, and you grab a little bit of information from everybody, and it will work out for you. This is just my point of view of what I use and what makes me money. This is it right here. Now for this one right here, this freestyle table right here, you have to buy these separate. You have to buy these separate. They do not come with the kit. You could buy this and you buy the freestyle kit, right? And you put it on there and it's good for that. But if you want to use your big hoop masters to hold down your item or shirt, whatever it is that you're putting, you need to buy these for it to hold them down. And it's a must. That's for sure. And this right here is what I call my perfect setup. For me, that's my setup, which is for my daily use. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe, like, leave a comment, anything you want to know about my experiences with the machine, the MT2001 AS, and let you guys know what I use that for. Another hack I have right here. Use this on the daily as well. So stay tuned you guys, and subscribe for more. Have a good one guys.